Hi guys, hope you're well and welcome back to my channel, and hello anyone that is new. Today I am sharing a highly requested video over here on my channel, which you guys have probably wanted for about the past two and a half years, and it is a home tour. You guys wanted this so much. I know you see so much of my home through cleaning and through the interiors and all the content that I share, and there's so much here, so I just can't wait to share it with you. But if you are new, hello and welcome. I share lots of content over here, from cleaning and interiors to renovations, DIYs, budgeting, finance, law of attraction, you name it, I probably cover it. So if you like that sort of content, then I'd love to have you over here. Come on over, click the subscribe button and come and join the madness. But I'm going to start off and show you around. So if you want to see a little bit further inside my home and where pieces are from, then just continue to watch. Okay, so as you come up the stairs, this is where we are. So we've got a baby gate at the very top of our stairs, and this is our hallway, and I absolutely love our hallway. It is one of the things that drew me to the home, having such a wide and big hallway. It's so light and airy, it lets light all the way through, and I absolutely love it. And then I'm going to start off by showing you inside the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. It is honestly one of my favourite rooms in the house. I find it just so relaxing, so calming. We did have it very glam at one point, but I much prefer it like this. I just find it really relaxing and a nice place to be. And the feng shui side in me and getting rid of all the mirrors, I think has definitely helped, because there was a lot of glass in here at one point. So I'll start off, as we walk in, and we've got the carpet. We picked up this carpet from Tappy Carpets. It's not the best carpet, so I wouldn't recommend this range, so I won't bother telling you which one it is. I love the colour. It's just, it's very matted, it's worn down, and it's not very good. And then as you walk into the room, you've got this side. So our mirror is from the range, is a full length mirror, really affordable. I think it was around £40, and I love that. It's got this gorgeous detailing on it, which I love, as you can see there. And then as we move around the room, you have got our gorgeous paneling, which we did ourselves. I am obsessed with it. I think it really adds like another element to the room. So the paneling is just in a brilliant white by Dulux, and then the top of the walls are all in Faro and Ball in Cornforth White. Now I picked this up from the Decoration Centre online. I personally prefer the colour match that Homebase do in the Dulux range. We've got Cornforth White downstairs in our downstairs bathroom, and I personally prefer that shade, but I do find it quite calming. Although I think I would prefer the ammonite that we've got everywhere else in our home, but never mind. I mean, I just couldn't be bothered to keep going over it. So then we come across to our bedroom furniture. Our bedroom furniture is from Top Furniture. I really, really love it. We'd purchased some alternative furniture from another website, and this one is so much better, really good quality. So I highly recommend. And I think I'm going to try and get the matching dressing table for over here, because I recently got rid of my dressing room, which you will see in a little bit. And then our lamps are from Next. Absolutely love these. A huge dupe of the White Company at half the price. Still a little bit pricey, but a lot cheaper than the White Company. Then the eucalyptus and the vase are from Ikea. I featured that in a recent haul. And I have my neon diffuser, which I am obsessed with. I love this. It is gorgeous. Just love it. Then moving around the room, you come to our bed. I don't recommend our bed and where we got it from, because I had some awful service with these guys. They were a newly launched company at the time, so they may have well done and like fixed their errors, but I don't really like recommending companies that I've not had good service with myself. A load of influencers recommended this bed company. I was personally influenced and purchased myself and had a bad experience, so I can't recommend them. But our bedding is from River Island. It's now sold out, but I know if you type geometric bedding online, you will probably find it, or something similar, because there's loads of bedding like this now around, and I will try and link as much of this as I can below. Our throw is from Ikea. Our cushions are from, the front two are from Dunelm, when we had them on our downstairs sofas and we moved them up here. And our back ones are from Ikea as well. I really love them. Again, these were featured in a recent haul, but I love the detailing on them. And then over here we've got this lamp and this dupey type flower for, what is it called? Pussy, can't even think, but you know what I mean, don't you? But that's that. They're both from Homesense. And then as you come around here, you've got our radiator cover, which is from eBay. You've got these flowers here, which are from the range, a jewellery box. You've got a diffuser over here from Morrison's, and just a candlestick. And then I love this side of the room. Our TV and our wires are all hidden away, and then you've got our top furniture, dresser with all of our drawers in. I don't know where the picture frame's from. I want to say Next. It's quite old though. It could be from the range. I've got two that are very similar. And then our candlesticks and our ginger jar are from Stockton, or All That Jazz Stockton, over on Instagram, but I will leave them linked below as well. And then lastly, you have our chandelier, which I'm obsessed with, and this is from Dunelm as well. Then coming around the room, you have our ensuite. I really like our ensuite. I love our tiles, but a word to the wise, if you're going to get tiles that are textured like these, try and limit them like I did in our main bathroom, because they're a nightmare to clean in between all the lumps and bumps. So I went for a lot of smooth ones in here. But we have an electric shower. We've got this gorgeous print up here. The frame is from Hobbycraft and the print is from Chelsea Prints, I believe. And then we have our towels, both from Next. We all have these, they're all anagrammed with our initials on. Then I have the cabinet over here, which I believe is from Argos. Absolutely love this, it's really, really big. Diffuser and soap dispenser, and we do have a matching toothbrush holder in the cupboard from Primark. Can't remember where the flowers are from. Again, I'm going to say B&M, The Range, or Dunelm, or somewhere like that. And then these drawers down here, which are falling apart. They're very old now. Very, very old. But these are from B&M. And then coming out of the room to the right, this has been all sorts of rooms in the 2.5 years that we've been here. It has been a dressing room and an office for myself. It has also been Klayton's bedroom. And then now it is our playroom, which we did right at the beginning of lockdown. I literally went out and bought all of these Ikea units right before lockdown began. So these units are from Ikea. Now, I wouldn't recommend these ones because the wood swells and moves and the baskets fall out of them. And I did read this about them online, but I believe the white wood is fine and the black wood, but the actual wood isn't that good. So I'm having a nightmare with these. So these are going to need to be returned at some point because they are faulty, and they've been no good since we had them. But obviously we was in lockdown, so Ikea's only recently opened. The colour on the wall is the same colour as Parker's bedroom, so it is Willow, I believe it's called, by Dulux, and then Brilliant White on top. And then we have these shelves. You've got some Ikea shelves. This garland was in Parker's room. I really cannot remember. It was an Etsy store online, I believe. This orchid here is just in here. Doesn't really go with the room, but you know, I've got nowhere else to put it and I still love it, and I don't have an office right now. And this was from Matalan. And then we don't really use anything else. I'm trying to think. This was like a little Aldi buy. This is like, we don't really use this because there's no plug, but this is like a Morrison's lamp. And then we have our lovely Desenio prints up here. These are in Parker's room, but again, I've moved them over into here and I absolutely love them. And then moving around to this side of the room, we've just got two rails that we built in the alcove down here to hold all of our clothes and shoes. And I can't reach the top rail, so I have this little footstool. And then we have a rug here. And again, I think I purchased this one online off of a website. I can't remember where, potentially eBay, but I'm not sure. So going down the hallway, we have this little sign. I absolutely love this. It's something that me and Adam had. I actually had this made, I think, for our wedding. It's got our love story, so the date that we officially started going out, the date that we got engaged, and the date that we got married. And then we come to our bathroom. Now, this is our main bathroom. I absolutely love this bathroom, but my biggest problem with the bathrooms in our home, every single bathroom, is that because we're semi-detached, they are on the interior walls, so there's no windows, and I really don't like that about a bathroom. I love having windows in bathrooms, but something to bear in mind for future homes. So when we moved in, we had this amazing huge glass mirror put in, which I am obsessed with. It is one of my favourite things. It really brightens up a room. So if you have got a bathroom like this that doesn't have any mirrors, then I highly recommend a mirror like this. But this was just from a local gas supplier, and we had the edges of our mirror, I don't know how well you can actually see, but they're beveled. Same tiles, they're porcelain tiles, they just came with our new build. And we've just got, like I said, about getting the trim. These ones we've just got in the middle to maintain cleaning. And then we've got a lovely rain shower as well, which I've become obsessed with. I think many of you guys know that we didn't actually use this bathroom for about 2 years. We always used our ensuite, and just the boys would have a bath. And then we gave the ensuite a good clean one day, took all the shower door off, and I was like, right, I'm done with cleaning that now. So we've not used that one ever since. Now we just use this one. And then we have got the Dunelm bath tray, and then just some little bits and bobs on there. I'm not actually quite sure. I think from Homesense, Aldi, and Homesense again for the candle. And then this, I believe, I don't know where that's from actually. Probably, I want to say Next, but I could be wrong. It might just be from like B&M or somewhere. I'm not sure. And then this unit down here, absolutely love this, but this is from B&M as well. And then coming round, you've got the last 2 bedrooms. So I'll take you into Parker's room. Parker's room is one of my favourite bedrooms as well in the house. I just love the colours in here and everything like that. So as you come in, I get lots and lots and lots of questions on his bedroom furniture. We will actually be getting rid of this soon because it has so many marks on it, and both the boys have had this furniture. It cost us an absolute fortune, but there are so many cheaper options now, so that when we have another baby we could get them. But at the time, this was like the only brand that did like a sleigh style bed, and I absolutely love this bed. It's like my whole heart is in love with this still. But this is Boori furniture, which I absolutely love. It comes as a cot bed, and then we had the matching dress over here, which is all curved. And when they're younger, you've got like a changing station that you pop on top. Then I'm trying to go through everything. So the bedding is from Amazon. I really like it, although I've seen some alternative white bedding that I really like as well, very similar. But Parker doesn't actually use bedding. He throws them all over here of an evening, so still won't sleep in a duvet and a blanket regardless of what we do. Elephant was purchased online. You've got a little My First Year's dressing gown. The train name set over there came with these ones over here that I've dotted along, but they wouldn't fit. But my nan actually got these as a present for the boys, personalised. And then all of the shelves are from Ikea. They're actually spice racks turned upside down. Well, no, the bottom ones turn upside down. And then the camera is from a little online boutique, but I think they do them on eBay, and that they do them in so many places, but these are about 2.5 years old now. Another thing that I get questions on all the time is Parker's lampshade, and it is one of, it's just one of the most gorgeous things in here. This is like the perfect thing, and his whole bedroom was essentially based around this. It's kind of got like the African safari hot air balloon type vibes in here, which I love. But the company is no longer open or running anymore, so I can't link them unfortunately, but they are amazing and I absolutely love them. Then we have a few other details. So we've got these lights. These were purchased off of an Etsy seller, I believe, or eBay or something like that, along with these. But I will link all of the shops. I'll try and find as many of them as I can to link. So you have these like little rainbow arches, these wooden ones, which I absolutely love. And then moving around here, this lamp I have had forever. I believe it's a Dunelm lamp. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. And then we have these, which I absolutely love. Parker's little My First board. Klayton has one of these as well, which is in the loft, but I definitely think I'm going to get it out. But obviously Parker's was designed very much around his bedroom for his first birthday. And then a little picture, and then our grow egg as well. And then lastly, you've got up here picture frames, all from Desenio, which I love as well. And then the last little thing that we have down here is Parker's little toy basket from My First Year's. And then coming round here into Klayton's room, I mean, I guess I say they're all my favourites, but they're all my favourites in different ways. I really like this room. I did want to change the colour, so essentially I wanted to paint all of these walls white, so it was a little bit brighter in here, because sometimes it can feel a little bit dull, and I don't know. I wanted to add a little bit more colour, and that light's going to do nothing for us because it's got one of those eco bulbs in it. But this basket I got here, as you can see, it's Batman themed. So this basket I got down here, I purchased, I want to say off of eBay, so I've got that. Then you've got his drawers, so he's got the big dresser drawers, and he's also got these little ones down here. These are from Ikea, and I changed the handles on them, and I had a nightmare with these handles, but I purchased these off of eBay, and I just love the ring design on them. I think it really kind of changes up the look of him. Then you have over here, we have Klayton's little keepsake box from My First Year's. And then this little guy down here is my little teddy bear money box I had when I was a little girl. And then again, you've got these 3 picture frames here. So these are all from Hobbycraft, and I made these prints myself. So I absolutely love these. They're all personalised for Klayton. So you've got the light's reflecting really badly. You've got this little guy that says Klayton. You've got this one that says, always be yourself, unless you can be Batman, then always be Batman. And this one, which is AK for Klayton. So I absolutely love those. So then we have like these little keepsakes over here. So this one here is Klayton's little baby keepsakes, and then it has his first tooth when he eventually loses one, and his first curl. And I really want to get Parker a matching one, but it's all got his little name on. Then these are, I can't even remember what these are called now. Adam, what are them things called, the people? And so I just had to ask Adam who they actually were. Well, I'm useless at this sort of stuff, but these are Laurel and Hardy, and these were passed down to Adam from like a family member, and like, they're like little keepsakes. We've got them in Klayton's room. And then this little guy, he broke. He used to carry the cupcake, but he broke, so the cupcake's next to him now. But these are little Swarovski pieces that Adam's got for me on various Mother's Day and stuff like that from Klayton before Parker was born, which is why they're in here, and I absolutely love them. Then moving around into Klayton's bedroom, you've got his bed, which was an absolute steal off of eBay. Now this took a lot of hunting for, because some of them the headboard was really low, some of them they wanted a lot of money for, some of them looked really cheap. So this one I'm super impressed with. I highly recommend the company. I would try and link him because he had his own store as well, and his customer service was amazing. It arrived super quickly. Then his bedding, I can't remember where this is from. Again, I want to say that they stock it in like Argos, but I think I picked it up off of eBay, and it's dual, so like you can turn it over. So this side obviously has the big Batman side on, which is the side he prefers, but then it also has a very monochrome white and black side with Batman figurines as well. He has the Batman pillow in the middle of his bed, which again is online. I will try and link it all below. And then the pillows, the grey pillows, are from Matalan. Then down here you've got the toy box. This he got for his first birthday from a toy box company online on Facebook. We have since recovered it poorly. As you can see, it's all like threading, but we've recovered it because it was getting really damaged, but we wanted to keep it and repainted it, but it needs another going over. And then around here you've got this little Batman light here. I believe this is from B&M, that's where I've seen them, but he actually got this as a gift for his birthday. You've got this Batman light here, which it is working actually, it's got batteries. Love this. This is like a little night light. It goes off after 60 minutes as well of a night, which is really handy, and this was online. And then you have coming down here, this was actually sent in by one of my lovely viewers and subscribers and followers over on Instagram, so I will leave them tagged below. But it is all handmade, and it's got the Joker, Batman and Robin, and it says you don't need superpowers to be a superhero, Klayton's room, and this goes perfectly. And then the last thing that I have to show you are a couple of light fittings which I missed out. So this one in Klayton's room is from Dunelm. It's just a lampshade. And then coming around into the hallway, we have these ones here. These are very old. We've had these since like our first house about 7 years ago now, which is crazy that it was 7 years ago. But I believe these are from Argos, but I know so many places do these now, and they're still in such great condition. And then this lampshade I absolutely love, and I believe this one is also from Dunelm. Well guys, that is the end of the upstairs house tour. I hope you have enjoyed watching and having a little nosy into where everything is from. Leave below if you have any other suggestions of other content you'd like me to create, or any questions on where anything is from, and I will try and come back to you. And I will see you all again in another video very shortly. Bye guys.
I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late. Now it's too late.